This is a very quick video to demonstrate the capabilities of mini-circuits programmable attenuators and how they can be used to automate signal level control within a test or production application. We've got a simple setup here based on mini-circuits wideband signal generator, power sensor, switchbox and attenuator. But in this case, all we're doing is routing the signal source directly through the attenuator into the power sensor. We have a Python program that I've written beforehand which sweeps through the attenuator settings. So it'll sweep from 0 to 90 dB and then synchronize with the signal generator and power sensor to take a measurement at each step. The Python program can then take that data and plot the profile you see there. And this is demonstrating a couple of things. Firstly, it shows the performance of the programmable attenuator. We're sweeping in 2 dB steps here, and you see a nice consistent slope all the way down to the bottom range of the power sensor. This is ideal in a wide range of RF test applications, receiver testing, cellular handover testing, anywhere where you may want to simulate devices moving into and out of range of each other. Secondly, we're showing that in conjunction with mini-circuits, signal generators and power sensors, we have mini-circuits SSG44G HP as the signal source here. That's a CW and pulse sensor capable of up to 44 GHz and power outputs greater than 20 dBm. In conjunction with our wideband peak and average or RMS power sensors, which can measure from minus 60 dBm all the way up to plus 20 dBm, so an 80 dB range in total, we can measure the full range, or nearly the full range of this programmable attenuator. The measurements on the graph there show the power measurements all the way down to minus 70 dBm before the power sensor hits the bottom of its range. And all three of these devices are being automated together through a very simple Python program, and that can also be implemented in any other common language from LabVIEW, MATLAB, C#, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to get in touch to discuss how we can help to simplify and cost reduce your RF, microwave, and millimeter wave test solutions.